In this video, we are going to learn about right outer join, which is exactly similar to left outer join. If you look at the Venn diagram, here we get the results of all the data that exists in table B, and we also get the data that is common in table A and table B. Now you must be thinking that why am I writing right outer join, because I can do similar thing with the left outer join, which is exactly right. So if you don't want to use right outer join and you want to continue using only left outer join, what you can do is you can switch the order of table A and table B in your left outer join. In this way, your table B becomes table A and table A becomes table B, and then you don't have to use the right outer join. Similarly, if you also want the data which is only exclusive to table B, you could be using the same query that you have been writing for the left outer join. But what you need to do, you need to go ahead and swap the order of table A and table B. Very simple. And you could also be writing only right join. You don't have to write right outer join all the time. Now let's talk about union. Now union is an operator that is used to combine the result set of two or more select statement. What this really means is that you take one table A and you take the other table B, you just add those two tables, and that is what your output is. You don't have to reuse any key column to actually tell on how to map the columns from one table to the other. So when you don't have to do it, you have to make sure that when you take two tables and you try to put two tables on top of each other, one table on top of the other, you need to make sure your all columns are same. And it's not mandatory, but it makes sense when this happens and your table makes sense. Okay, so be very wise in using union. I don't have any demo or example for this union because the current database that we're using, that DVD rental, it does not have any table where we can perform union. But if I find any other database in the coming videos, I'll try to implement union. That is all we have in the joint statement videos, and I'll see you in the upcoming video.